Diana, who benefits and who loses when we vilify meat?
That's a good question. So, um, it's a little different in other countries, but here in America, it's definitely the ultra processed food companies. When all of our negative dietary attention is pinned on cows, then it makes all these other plant-based ultra processed foods seen as healthier, especially the fake meat like Beyond Burger and Impossible Burger, which claim to be healthier and better for the environment than cattle. And so, my argument as a dietitian is that it's absolutely preposterous that meat generated in a factory or lab can be anywhere close to as good as real animal source proteins and fats that humans have been eating for 3.5 million years. Um, and then I go into the environmental benefits of well raised cattle and why an ethical food system must include grazing animals as part of it. Please subscribe to BNS Go Great.